Quick video, show you how to change a tail light on a Silverado pickup truck. And here's what we got. Busted up tail light. Show you how to swap that out. Nice thing about this replacement is it comes with the bulbs in and installed already, so you don't got to mess with that. We're just going to have a simple 2 bolts here, and there's 2 plugs here that are going to fit inside the rear fender. These are the 2 bolts you got to remove. They got a little star fitting on them. T15. I'm pretty sure my wiring harness going into the truck is good, so I'm gonna do away with the one they give me. I did swap out the light bulbs because I don't know if any of these are bad. I'm just gonna use that old wiring harness in the new taillight. I don't feel like climbing underneath it, to be honest with you. It's way back underneath the bed somewhere there. And now these 2 big plugs here are just going to slide into those holes in that right rear fender. Just guide that in. Like that. And then we're going to put those 2 screws back in there. And that's it. You're all done. All installed. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.